This week I'm testing the Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this video is brought to you by InfoSecure. In the back of the Volkswagen Tiguan there are Isofix in the two outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to, and top tether anchorages on the back of all three rear seats, and they're really nice and easy to access through the boot. Now I can fit 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back here. Now it is a squeeze no matter what child seats you use. However, I've got 2 InfoSecure Attain More and 1 Achieve More. They are really slim seats, so they do actually fit really nicely. Now they fit forward facing, and I found rear facing fits too. Now the second row of seats, you can slide the bases forwards and backwards. It's split 60-40, and the central seat back will come all the way down, which we found really useful with our family this week when we had to do an IKEA run. Now legroom is surprisingly good in the Tiguan, and we found that a 180cm driver could sit in front of a rear-facing InfoSecure Attain More child seat. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box for the rear passengers, which is really good for keeping them the right temperature while you're driving along. In the back of the Volkswagen Tiguan, storage is really good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. On the back of both front seats there are multiple map pockets. There's big ones down the bottom that will hold and conceal an iPad, and 2 small ones at the top I found good for a phone or a book or something like that. Now the door bins are a good size in the back here too. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and they're nicely lined so things don't make a noise in there. In the front the storage has changed from the previous model, but it's still really good. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In front of the gear lever is a phone tray. It's got a 12-volt socket and 2 USB-Cs in there. And the central console box is really small. Now the glove box is a good size in here. That will hold my iPad with the manual. And there's a cooling element in there too. On the side of the central console is a net that's really good for putting your phone. Now there's no sunglasses holder in here like in the previous model. Instead you get a storage compartment on the dash. And the door bins are a really good size in here. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle and my iPad with the manual. The boot door of the Tiguan opens electronically and closes that way too, which is great. Now the boot floor of the Tiguan can be lowered down about 10 centimetres, which is fantastic, giving extra depth for storage space. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot.
Empty, it will hold 12 shopping bags, or a twin pram fits in the boot, or a tandem pram fits in the boot with 4 shopping bags, a single pram fits with 4 shopping bags, or a compact stroller fits with 9 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog.
The Tiguan has really good adjustable headrests, so you can drive wearing a ponytail. The Volkswagen Tiguan is a nice little SUV to drive. It's very agile and nippy around town, and the turning circle is really small, so that makes parking really easy in school and supermarket car parks and places like that. Now I did find out on the motorway that the road and wind noise is quite loud, and so I had to turn the stereo up really loud in order to compensate for it. Now visibility is surprisingly good in here too. Even with 3 child seats installed in the back, I can see really well out of the back and side windows. The media system in the Volkswagen Tiguan is really lovely and simple and easy to use, and it does have this hand swipe system so you don't have to touch the screen as well. You can also drag and drop the sound for the speakers, which is great with kids, so you can easily put it in the back for them, and you can control the rear aircon from the front here easily too. It does have CarPlay and Android Auto as well, and when you put it into reverse, it's got a lovely big clear screen, and you can also turn the parking sensors on and off with a button down in the central console. So to to sum up with the Volkswagen Tiguan, it's a good 5-seater for families. You can just get those 3 child seats across the back, however 2 is much more comfortable, and the flexibility of the boot and seats is really good. The drive is good and the media system's great.